Black pepper, also known as piper nigrum, is a popular spice that is used in the culinary arts for flavor and in traditional medicinal systems for its therapeutic value. Black pepper is grown throughout the world in tropical regions and is prepared by taking the dried fruit from an unripe piper nigrum plant. There are many health-promoting compounds within black pepper, including phenolic acids, terpenes, flavonoids, and lignans. However, many authors believe that potentially the most healthful compound within black pepper that's also unique to black pepper is a substance called piperine. Alkaloids are naturally occurring nitrogen-containing compounds that have significant biological effect. Examples would be morphine, dopamine, and caffeine. So how does black pepper improve, boost, enhance musculoskeletal health? Well, one mechanism is black pepper's ability, specifically piperine's ability, to increase the absorption of substances that promote musculoskeletal health. Now, there's two potential mechanisms that piperine is able to do this. Number one, it actually increases the absorption of health-promoting molecules from the intestine to the bloodstream via enlarging the pores that these substances travel through. It also inactivates or decreases the activity of enzymes that tend to break down certain health-promoting compounds. For example, piperine has been shown to inhibit the activity of enzymes that decrease the absorption of coenzyme Q10, beta-carotene, resveratrol, and curcumin, which is an important component of turmeric. Now, all these substances have been shown to boost musculoskeletal health. Actually, there's a very fascinating study that showed that if you include piperine with turmeric, the absorption of the curcumin is increased by 154%. That's a staggering number. Additionally, black pepper, specifically piperine, has demonstrated anti-pain activity and antidepressant activity. Now, pain is one of the primary complaints of people who have chronic musculoskeletal disease, especially with chronic joint disease and chronic tendon disease. As noted previously, because piperine is an alkaloid, it has a similar basic chemical structure to natural occurring opioids such as morphine. And there's some research to suggest and support that piperine might have a similar effect in the body using the opioid pathways. Because piperine has a similar structure to many important neurotransmitters, there is some suggestion that piperine might be able to improve mood. Now, interestingly, negative emotion and pain are processed in the same region in the brain. And if you're depressed and you have pain, usually that magnifies the pain you appreciate. And if you have pain, it tends to cause you to focus on negative emotion. So potentially, if piperine improves your mood, it will decrease your perception of pain. Black pepper has also been shown to possess antioxidant and demonstrate anti-inflammatory attributes. As mentioned previously, black pepper contains a wide array of health-promoting substances, including phenolic acids, flavonoids, terpenes, and lignans. These substances have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In lab studies, it's been shown that black pepper is able to counteract oxygen-free radicals and also counteract the synthesis of tissue-destroying enzymes called matrix metalloproteases and the production of certain types of prostaglandins that cause some of the symptoms of chronic musculoskeletal disease, such as swelling, pain, and redness. Black pepper is usually tolerated when consumed in traditional culinary doses. Any consideration of supplementation should be discussed with a qualified health practitioner who is familiar with your unique medical condition and history.